Have you ever made a video that looked good, but just didn't feel alive? Maybe your avatar was talking, but the motion looked stiff, or maybe your scenes felt a little too static. That's something almost every creator faces. We all want smooth, natural motion, but learning animation software or hiring designers isn't easy. That's why Heygen has introduced Motion Designer, a brand new feature that helps you add realistic movements, gestures, and camera motion to your videos in just a few clicks. Here's how it works, step by step. Step 1, visit the Heygen website. Step 2, go to Motion Graphic and click Try It Now. Step 3, select a Motion Designer template. Step 4, enter your prompt for the motion graphic design. Step 5, click Generate to create your design. Your content now looks polished, engaging, and full of life, without spending hours editing. Motion Designer is perfect for anyone who wants their videos to stand out, whether you make product demos, tutorials, explainer videos, or social media content. It helps you save time, look more professional, and connect with your audience through natural motion and expressions. If you're ready to make your videos feel more human and engaging, try Heygen Motion Designer today. It's simple, powerful, and designed for every creator who wants their stories to move.